Are you fascinated by planes, airports, and the science behind aviation? A BSc in aviation might just be the perfect fit for you. Let's explore how this course can set you up for an exciting career in the skies. Why choose BSc Aviation? First things first, this isn't just any degree. A BSc in Aviation is a 3-year undergraduate program that dives deep into the technical aspects of aviation. Think subjects like air navigation, meteorology, and even aircraft maintenance engineering. What makes this course unique is its combination of theoretical knowledge and practical training. You won't just learn about aviation, you'll experience it, from flight simulators to internships at leading airlines. Career opportunities. Now, let's talk about where this degree can take you. Graduates of B.Sc Aviation are in high demand for roles like commercial pilot, flight operations manager, air traffic controller, aircraft maintenance engineer, or even a flight instructor. And here's the exciting part, starting salaries range from 4 lakhs rupee to 12 lakhs rupee per annum, depending on your role and certifications. Top colleges in India. India offers some of the best institutes for this program, such as Indira Gandhi Institute of Aeronautics, Chandigarh; Hindustan Aviation Academy, Bangalore; Indira Gandhi Institute of Aeronautics, Pune. These colleges are known for their robust curriculums and hands-on training, ensuring you're industry-ready from day one. Admissions and eligibility. Getting into a BSc in Aviation program isn't complicated. Most institutes require you to have completed your 10+2 in science with physics, chemistry, and math, scored at least 50% marks in your board exams. Some colleges might also conduct an entrance exam to assess your aptitude for aviation. Scholarships and financial aid. Worried about the cost? Many colleges offer scholarships to make this dream more accessible, such as merit-based scholarships for high-performing students, need-based financial aid for those from economically weaker backgrounds. These can significantly reduce your course fees, which typically range between 1 lakh rupee to 3,50,000 rupee per year. Hiring companies. When it comes to placements, top airlines and organizations like Air India, Indigo, SpiceJet, and GMR Group are always on the lookout for skilled aviation graduates. You can also find opportunities with aerospace companies and even government aviation departments. A BSc in Aviation isn't just a degree, it's a ticket to a career in one of the fastest growing and most thrilling industries out there. Ready to explore your options? Visit sulekha.com to connect with the best aviation colleges, compare programs, and find the one that suits your aspirations. Don't just dream of the skies, make them your workplace. Start your aviation journey today.